For thousands of teenagers who go through the academy process to try and become a professional footballer, it's a well-known fact that there is plenty of obstacles that can stop you from achieving your dream. And for many, height is perhaps the biggest barrier when it comes to whether you make it or not, but Manchester United midfielder Scott McTominay is a prime example of why a club shouldn't release a player based on their size. At the beginning of 2015, an 18-year-old McTominay was only 5 feet 6 inches. United's youth team coaches had their doubts whether he would be able to make the grade at the top level, but thankfully they kept the talented midfielder on their books. At the end of 2015, McTominay went through a ridiculous growth spurt, and now the 21-year-old stands at an impressive 6 feet 4 inches. In an interview with Manchester United's official website, the youngster explained his incredible transformation in such a short space of time. "It's just more of the fact that my body was not ready at all. Warren and Paul McGuinness were really good with me at the time, nurturing me and putting me in and out of training sessions, while not giving me so much game time." McTominay said, "I'm at the height I am now, and I want to keep going this season and get as much game time as I possibly can. I always knew I was going to be quite tall, but maybe not that tall. I think when I was 13 or 14, if I was at another club who weren't as patient with me as I was smaller and not playing games, I think they might have thought, we'll just get rid of him." "I couldn't fault United when I was growing up and how they treated me. It's panned out as obviously been really good. From being one of the smallest at the club to easily becoming one of the tallest at Old Trafford, the 21-year-old looks to have a huge future after this weekend's performance against Huddersfield." McTominay was drafted into the starting lineup after Mourinho decided to drop Paul Pogba from the center of midfield. This story is certainly a note to academies out there